To film on your iPhone, you need a tripod and a phone mount. First, screw the mount onto the tripod. Next, slide your phone into the mount. If you don't have a tripod, some great alternatives are a cup, a pepper grinder, or a book. First, you can tap to change the focus. Pinch and pull with 2 fingers to adjust the zoom. You can also tap and slide on the screen to adjust the brightness. Once you import your footage into iMovie, you can tap and scroll to scrub through it. Tap and hold on a clip to move it to somewhere else. Dragging the yellow line will change the length of a video. To cut your videos, tap the split button. Click on the transitions button to change how clips go together. If you want text in your video, tap the T icon. If you aren't using a text box, tap the X to remove it. When you add text to your video, it'll stay for the entire clip. If you don't want it to do that, split the video.